Good morning, children. Now we are going to learn topic 4 LCM and HCF, least common multiple, and HCF, highest common factor. This is PPT 9. Children, before completing these solutions, you have to complete as soon as possible and send your question number and options in my comment box. I will correct your answers. So children, let us start. First question, the largest 3-digit number divisible by 45 is 45. Children, we know the divisibility rules. 45. If a number is divisible by 4 and 5 and 9, then the number is exactly divisible by 45. So that's why we have to check with the 5 and 9. So in this second one and fourth, second option and fourth option divisible by 5 and 9. So we have to take largest one. In this, which is largest one? 995, largest one. This is the trial and error method, children. Trial and error method. We know trial and error method. Trial and error method. Trial and error method. By trial and error method, we can choose the correct option. So in this second one is the largest number. We can check this first. This is divisible by 5 because last digit is 5. Units digit is 5. That's why it is divisible by 5. Next, check with the 9. So 9 plus 9, 18, 23. 23 means 2 plus 3, 5. So the digital root 5 is digital root. Digital root. So if the digital root is 9, then only divisible by 9. So that's why this is not exactly divisible by 9. So that's why we check fourth option. 945. So this is divisible by 5. So 9 plus 4 plus 5, 18, 9. So this is the digital root. 9 is digital root. So digital root. So that's why this is exactly divisible by 9. So this number is divisible by 5 and 9. That's why it is exactly divisible by 45. 5 nines are 45. So option 4 is correct. Second one, the LCM of 3, 4, 8, 9 is, we know LCM, how to find. So 3, 4, 8, 9. 4 and 8 are exactly divisible by 2. That's why take 2, taking 2 as divisor, and we can divide. Bring down 3, 2 2s, 2 4s, bring down 9. Again 2 table. Bring down 3, 2 1s, 2 2s, bring down 9. Now 3 table, 3 1s, 1, bring down 2, 3 3s. So LCM of these numbers is 2 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 3. No need of writing these ones. If a number is multiplied by 1, we get the same number only. There is no difference. So 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 2 to the 4, 4 3 is 12, 12 2 is 24, 24 3 is 3 4 is 12, 3 to the 6, 7, 72. Option 2. Third question, the HCF and LCM of two given numbers are 15 and 300. If the first number is 75, then the second number is, we know the formula for second number is equal to LCM into GCD by given number, LCM into GCD by first number or one number or given number. This is the formula for finding second number or other number. So LCM 300, HCF 15 by given number is 75. LCM 300, HCF 15, first number 75. 15 ones are 15 fives are 5 ones are 5 6 are 0. So 60 is the answer. Option 2 is correct. Fourth question, the difference between LCM and HCF of the given numbers 15, 20 and 35 is the difference. We have to find LCM and HCF of these numbers. First, LCM. LCM of 15, 20, 35. 15, 20, 35. 15, 20, 35. First LCM 2, 3 table, 5 table first, 5 3s, 5 4s, 5 7s. So LCM 5 4s are 20. This 20, 3 7s are 21, 21 20s are 21 2s are 40. 2 420, LCM 420. Next HCF 15, 20, 35. These all numbers are exactly divisible by 5. 5 3s, 5 4s, 5 7s. So this is the HCF. HCF is equal to 5. So HCF 5. Difference. Here asked difference. Difference means we have to subtract 5, 4, 15. Orally we can find difference. This is the difference. 415. Option 2. Next question. Fifth, the HCF of 4, 8 and 12 is HCF. Children, we know how to find HCF. HCF is very easy to find. 4, 8, 12. 2 table. 2 is exactly divisible by all numbers. 2 2s, 2 4s, 2 6. Again 2 table. 2 1s, 2 2s, 2 3s. If you have forfeit You may take 4 table also directly. So HCF of these numbers is 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4. We don't take these numbers. In LCM only we take and multiply. So option 4, answer 4, option 1. Sixth question, the least number which when divided by 6, 9 and 15 leaves a remainder 5 in each case. We can check, we can choose the option by trial and error method. So every time we have to get 5 as remainder. So that's why we have to subtract this 5 and check divisibility rules. From 65 minus 5, 60. So 60 is divisible by 6 but not divisible by 6 but not divisible by 9. So that's why this is not correct option. So next 95 minus 5, 90. This is divisible by 2, 3. So that's why it is due. We have to know divisibility rule for 6. If a number is divisible by 2 and 3, then the number is exactly divisible by 6. So it is divisible by 2 and 3. That's why it is divisible by 6. Next 9. So digital root is 9. So that's why it is divisible by 9. And it is 15. 3 5s are 15. If a number is divisible by 3 and 5, then the number is exactly divisible by 15. So it is also exactly divisible by 3 and 5. That's why it is also exactly divisible by 15. So option 2 is correct. Question number 7. The LCM and SCF of two numbers are 180 and 3. Among them the first number is 45. Then the second number is, you know the formula, second number is equal to LCM into GCD by given number or a number. So this is the formula, L into G by A. 180 into 3 by given number 45. 3 ones, 3 5s, 5 3s, 5 6, 5 3s are 3 ones, 3 ones are 3 2s are 12 is the answer. Option 1 is correct. Eighth, the SF and LCM of two numbers are respectively 6 and 72. If one number is 18, the other number is equal to the other number is equal to LCM into GCD by given number or a number. So this is the formula. LCM 72, SCF 6 by one number 18. 6 ones, 6 3s are 3 ones, 3 2s are 3 4s are 24. Option 3. Ninth question. The product of two numbers is 64. Its HCF is 2. Then its LCM is LCM is equal to formula. LCM is equal to product of two numbers. Product of two numbers by HCF. This is the formula. So product of two numbers is given directly 64 and HCF is given 2, 2 3s, 2 2s, 2 1s. So 32 is the answer, option 4. 10th question, the least common multiple of 12, 24 and 30 is, least common means LCM. We know LCM how to find easily. 12, 24, 30, 2 table, 2 6, 2 1s, 2 2s, 2 1s, 2 5s, 2 3s, 2 6, bring down 15. Now 3 table, 3 1s, 3 2s, 3 5s. So LCM of these numbers, this 10, these 2 10, 2 to the 4, 4 3 are 12. After we keep this 0 beside 12. So answer 120, option 4. 11th question, 3 persons purchased oranges for 3 rupees, 5 rupees 25 paise and 6 rupees 75 paise. Find the maximum price of fruit. To find the maximum price of fruit, we have to find the HCF, GCD. We have to find the GCD of these numbers, rupees. Before finding GCD, we delete this point or rupees symbol, rupees point. Then we can change 300 paise, 300 paise, 525 paise, 675 paise. So now we have to find the HCF. 300, 525, 675, 5, 5 6 are 0, 5 1s are 5 0, 5 5s are 5 1s are 5 3s are 5 5s are 5 5s are. Again 5 table, 5 1s are, these have 0, 5 in units place, that's why these are exactly divided by 5. 5 2s are 5 2s, 5 1s, 5 7s are, so 5 1s are, 5 3s are, 5 5s are, so 5 2s are 3, 5 7s are. So these are not exactly okay, these are divisible by 3, 3 4s are, 3 7s are, 3 9s are. So no number exactly divisible these 4, 7 and 9. So that's why HCF of these numbers is, we have to find product of these numbers only. 5 5 3, 5 5 are 25, 25 3s are 75. So 75 paise is the maximum rate of the price. 75 paise, option 2. 12th question, we can divide 13,000 13 by 13. Find the smallest 5-digit number which starts with 14 and divisible by 13 is. First we have to take these all numbers have 14 as starting number is 14. So in this we have to choose the smallest number first. So 14,001 is smallest number. That's why we are following trial and error method, children. We are asked which starts with 14 and divisible by 13. Find the smallest 5 digits number which starts with 14 and divisible by 13 is. So this also starts with 14. We have to take checking. This is the smallest. That's why 13 ones are 13, 1, bring down 0, 13 zeros are 0, 0, 1, bring down this 0, 13 sevens are 91, borrow 9, 10, 9, bring down this 1, 91, 13 sevens are 91, 0. So this is exactly divisible by 13. 14,001 is the smallest number. This is exactly divisible by 13. So that's why option 2 is correct. 13th, the least common multiple LCM of 8, 12, 20 and 36 is LCM 8, 12, 20, 36. First we can take 4 table also. 4 2s are 4 3s are 4 5s are 4 9s are. Next to 3 table, bring down 2, 3 1s, bring down 5, 3 3s. So LCM is equal to 4 into 3 into 2 into 5 into 3. So these 10, this 10, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36. We have to keep this 0 on beside of 36. So 360 is the answer. Option 3 is correct. 14th, what is the SCF of two consecutive natural numbers? We know the rules of SCF. The consecutive natural numbers, side by side two natural numbers, is always 1. So that's why option 4. Consecutive natural numbers means we know the natural numbers. N is equal to set of 1, 2, 3 and so on. So in this 1, 2 is consecutive natural numbers. 2, 3 is also consecutive natural numbers. 100 and 101 also consecutive natural numbers. So for all this HCF of for all these 1 only. Without calculating we can say answer 1. 15. 3 bells starts ringing. 3 bells start ringing at a same time in the morning, 8:30 hours. If they ring with the difference of 4, 5 and 6 minutes, then at what time all the 3 bells start ringing at the same time? To find answer, we have to find the LCM of these numbers first. 4, 5, 6. LCM of 4, 5, 6. LCM, we have to find LCM. So 2 table, 2 2s, bring down 5, 2 3s. So LCM of these numbers is 2 into 2 into 5 into 3, 2 is 10, 2 3 is 6, 60. 60 minutes. So 60 minutes means 1 hour. So what time all the 3 bells start ringing at the same time? So next same time 8:30 hours. These are hours, these are minutes. So added 1 hour to this. 9:30, 9 hours 30 minutes of first 9. So of first 9 hours option 2. Here we added 16th question. 3 bells ring at intervals of 12, 15 and 18 seconds respectively. If they start ringing together at 30 minutes past 8, 8:35 am, at what time will they ring together? Again at the earliest. So this is also same. We have to find LCM of these numbers. LCM of 12, 15, 18. These are seconds, children. We divide with 2 table first. 2 6, bring down 15, 2 9s. Next to 3 2s, 3 5s, 3 3s. So LCM of these numbers, 2 into 3 into 2 into 5 into 3. So these 10, 2 3 is 6, 6 3 is 18. So 180. 180 seconds. So 180 seconds means how many minutes? To find minutes, we have to divide with 60 minutes. It will convert into minutes. 0 0 gets cancelled. 6 1s are 6 3s are. So 3 minutes. 3 minutes. They already rang 8:35 am. So next time 3 minutes. These are hours, these are minutes. So we have to add 2 minutes. 8:38, 8:38, 8 hours 38 minutes. Option 1. Seventeenth question. The LCM of 30, 36 and 90 is greater than their HCF by. To find answer, we have to find the LCM and then HCF. LCM, first LCM. LCM of 30, 36, 90. First 2 table, 2 1s, 2 5s, 2 1s, 2 8s, 2 4s, 2 5s. 3 table, 3 5s, 3 9s, 3 1s, 3 5s. Again 3 table, bring down 5, 3 3s, 3 5s. Now 5 table, 5 1s, 3 5 1s. So LCM of these numbers is 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 3. So LCM of these numbers is these 2 10, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 270. LCM of these numbers is 270. 270 is LCM. Now we have to find HCF. HCF of 30, 36, 90. So 36 for 3 table, 3 1s, 3 zeros, 3 1s, 3 2s, 3 3s, 0. Next to 2 table also. First we can divide with 2 or 3 also, no problem. So 2 table now, 2 5s, 2 6, 2 1s, 2 5s. So no number is divides these all. So that's why SCF of these numbers is 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6. So HCF here greater, how much is greater? The LCM we have to subtract. To find greater or lesser, smaller, we have to subtract. We know, children. Borrow 6 10 4 6 240 264 264 3 to the 6 30 36 90. Somewhere mistake, 180. So LCM we can check once again. 2 3 is 6, 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27, 215, 218, 245, 3 5s, 3 9s. So here 3 6 are, children. HCF okay. Now once again we have to find LCM. 30 36 90. 2 table, 2 1s, 2 5s, 2 1s, 2 8s, 2 4s, 2 5s. 3 table, 3 5s, 3 6s, 3 1s, 3 5s. Now 3 table, bring down 5, 3 2s, 3 5s. Now 5 table, 5 1s, bring down 2, 5 1s. So LCM of these numbers, 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 2, that is equal to this 10, 2 3 is 6, 6 3 is 18. So we have to write this 0 on right side. So LCM is 180. HCF 6. We have to find how much is greater. That's why we have to subtract 7, 10. Here 10 minus 6, 4, 7. 174 is answer. Option 4. Eighteenth question. The HCF of two numbers is 11 and the LCM is 693. If one of the number is 99, then the other number will be, the other number is equal to, we know the formula, the other number is equal to LCM into GCD by given number, a number or given number. So this is the formula to find other number or second number. So LCM 693, HCF 11 by one number 99. 11 ones are 11 nines are 99. 9 sevens are 63. 9 sevens are 63. 6 9 sevens are 63. 9 ones are. So 77 is the answer. Option 2. Ninth question. What is the LCM of 16, 80 and 48? we have to find LCM. 16, 80 and 48. These are all exactly divisible by 16 table. We can take 2 table, 4 table, 2 table, or 4 table, or 8 table, or 16 table. Which is best, that we will take, children. So any of these number we can take as divisor. So I will take this 16 ones are, 16 fives are, 16 threes are. So LCM is equal to 16 fives are 80, 3 eights are 24, 0. 240 is the answer. Option 3. Question number 20. What is the least number of 3 digits perfectly divisible by 4, 6, 8 and 12? Least number. In this we have to take least number. We can use trial and error method, children. Trial and error method. Trial and error method is the best. So in this, what is the smallest? 104 is smallest. 104 is smallest. And taking this 101 first option, we have to check all these numbers. Is this divisible by 4? Yes. So last digit, we have to check last digits divisible. Yes. Next, is this divisible by 6? To check with the 6, we have to check 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Then only divisible by 6. It is divisible by 2 but not divisible by sum of the digits is 5. Digital root is 5. So that's why not divisible by 3. So that's why not divisible by 6. Divisible by 2 but not divisible by 3. That's why it is not divisible by 6. Next, so that's why this is not correct option. Second smallest, 120. 120. Is this divisible by first 4, 12, last 20? Yes. Is this divisible by 6? So it is divisible by 2 and even number. All even numbers are exactly divisible by 2. That's why it is divisible by 2. And sum of the digit or digital root 3. So that's why it is divisible by 3. So that's why it is divisible by 6. Next, 8. 8. All the digit last 3 digits of a number is divisible by 8. Then the number is exactly divisible by 8. 120. So this short division we know. 8 ones are 8. 4, 8 fives are 40. No remainder here. 0 remainder. This is the quotient. So 120 is exactly divisible by 8. Next to 12. If a number is divisible by 3 and 5, then the number is exactly divisible by 12. So it is divisible by 3, already checked, and also it is exactly divisible by 5 because last digit or unit digit is 0. So that's why it is 3 4s are 12. We already checked 3 table and 4 table. That's why it is exactly divisible by 12, children. So if a number is exactly divisible by 3 and 4, then the number is exactly divisible by 12. That's why the 120 is exactly divisible by these all numbers 4, 6, 8, 12. So option 2 is correct. So this is the trial and error method. No need of checking remaining numbers. We got on option, correct option.